Nonscaled Cafe by TCTC in Mapo-gu, South Korea. The main keyword of space design at the first meeting with the client after receiving the project was signature color. It was the use of signature color. Nonscaled, who will use and operate this space in the future, will work with branding design within the space. He wanted to use a paint color that could represent non-scaled, and through several meetings, the space design and I chose blue as the key color of the branding design. Before unraveling the design with the main color theme of blue, I started designing the circulation of the space. In composing the space, the perfect separation of the entrance and exit lines to be used as a lobby and the space to be used as a non-scaled cafe was ensured. The focus was placed on the first floor, from the main entrance of the non-scale cafe to the main coffee bar on the first floor and the garden of the outdoor terrace on the first floor. We focused on layouts that look good together at the same viewing angle. In the interior of the second floor, the wide indoor space and the panoramic view of the greenery seen from the window forming the background of the space are combined. In order to look cool and not stuffy together, inside, structures that may interfere with the eye-level line of sight are excluded, and functional roles are divided in detail. The movement line was designed with a focus on the diversification of furniture design. The overall design focuses on the modularization of basic shapes and the joints and tangents, meiji, joint, of assembly. And these elements, the formative parts of space and furniture, were reinterpreted and expressed in various ways. In particular, the keyword seam, meiji, seam, is a reference to Nonscaled's parent company, Academy Science, which produces assemblies. Based on the idea of a company, non-scaled natural lines, that occur when components that make up plastic models or toys are assembled or combined, and dissolve into the formative elements of space, furniture, and furnishings. I tried to reveal the connection between Nonscaled and Academy Science in a subtle and indirect way without being too intuitive. After completing the formative part. Now, the blue color selected in the initial concept stage is actually applied to the space design, and I thought about finishing materials and colors, focusing on whether to complete the branding design. First, when selecting the rest of the finishing materials except for the point color, blue, it is possible to harmonize well with any blue color, because it covers a large space. It has a sense of weight. Achromatic basic colors are composed first, and as the main finishing material of the space excluding the point color part, stainless vibration material was selected. When you experience space for the first time, your eyes are not only drawn to the main color, but other finishing materials other than the color have the same gaze. Because we wanted dispersion to occur, we aimed to use blue with too high saturation or dark color, and the user and experience of the space along with the flow of time. Everyone's preferences are not greatly biased. Among various blue colors, we have selected a blue color that is close to sky blue, which is a toned-down blue color. The selected main blue color is applied to the stairs with the largest sense of volume in the interior space that connects the first and second floors. By applying it, it was possible to check the main point color of non-scaled from the outside. Along with stainless steel, the main material applied to the coffee bar, the main blue color is applied to the upper cabinet, which is the core of the space. The space was completed by applying the main material and main color to the coffee bar so that it can be seen at a glance.